Welcome again. This is Ford Focus with the 10-inch Android navigation, Tesla style, 2011. We installed the camera from the complete. Our client wants camera from the complete. Steering wheel controls works. Phone button. Changing stations. That's it from us. If you have any questions about your car, contact us. We will make it. Thanks for watching. Like and share, subscribe to the channel. See you again in next video.